Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Siti Hajar binti Yusof and I will teach you all about differentiation. So what is differentiation? As you can see on the image below, differentiation is like a curve, a straight line on the graph. It's mean a function. As you can see, y equals to 1 over 2 times with x power of 2. So we can see here y is a function and this y equals to x also a function, y equals to 1 also a function. What is differentiation or derivative? Differentiation is the instantaneous rate of change of function with respect to one of its variables. It used to define the slope of the tangent line to the function at a point. So, the slope of the tangent line we can see on the graph where the function on the graph will have a gradient. Gradient and the slope is the same thing. So, the derivative is used to find the gradient of the function. Next, the notation of derivative is dy over dx or y prime. The derivative of any integer is equal to 0. For example, the derivative of 2 equals to 0, the derivative of 1 over 1.5 equals to 0, which means any integer without any argumentation. Now, for the trigonometric derivative, we already have the formula that we need to remember in order to find the derivative of trigonometry. First, the derivative of sin x equals to cos x, derivative of cos x equals to negative sin x, derivative of tan x equals to secant square x, derivative of cosecant x equals to negative cosecant x multiplied with cot x, and derivative of secant x equals to secant x times with tan x, and lastly, the derivative of cot x equals to negative cosecant square x. There is a rule of differentiation. First, power rule. And the formula of power rules, derivative of x power of n equals to n times with x power of n minus 1. Okay, let's see the example. What is the derivative of x power of 3? Derivative of x power of 3 equals to 3 times with x power of 3 minus 1. The answer is 3 times with x power of 2. Next is a sum rule and difference rule. Okay, the sum rule and difference rules is actually the same and only different by its signs. For the formula for sum rule is fx plus gx equals to derivative of fx plus derivative of gx. And difference rule, fx minus gx equals to derivative of fx minus derivative of gx. Okay, let's see the example. The derivative of x squared plus x power of 3 is, okay, here we can see fx is a x squared and gx is a x power of 3. So the derivative of x squared plus x power of 3 is 2 times with x power of 2 minus 1 plus 3 times with x power of 3 minus 1. Okay, so the answer is 2 times x plus 3 times x squared. Second is a product rule. The formula of product rule is fx times gx equals to fx times with derivative of gx plus derivative of fx times with gx. So the example is the derivative of x power of 3 times with the x power of 2 plus 2 is, okay, here we can see fx is equal to x power of 3, gx equals to x power of 2 plus 2. So let's apply the formula of product rule into the equation. Okay. The fx is x power of 3 and the derivative of gx equals to 2x plus with derivative of fx which is 3 times with x power of 2 times with x squared plus 2. So we get 5 times x power of 4 plus 6 times with x power of 2. Third is a quotient rule. So for the quotient rule, fx divided by gx equals to derivative of fx times with gx minus fx times with derivative of gx divided by gx power of 2. Let's see the example. Derivative of 3x plus 9 divided by 2 minus x equals to, so here we can see fx equals to 3x plus 9 and gx equals to 2 minus x. So apply the quotient rule into the equation, we can get the derivative of fx is 3 multiplied with 2 minus x and minus with fx which is 3x plus 9 with the derivative of gx which is negative 1 divided by 2 minus x with the power of 2, and the answer we get is 15 over by 2 minus x power of 2. The last one is a chain rule. The chain rule is the function that have inside function and outside function. Okay, for the formula, gx is the inside function of the function f. So, the derivative of this function is function f will be differentiated and the inside function which is gx will remain the same and then multiply with the derivative of inside function. Okay, let's see the example. The derivative of 5 times with x minus 2 with the power of 3 is, so here we can see the outside function is power of 3 and the inside function is 5 times with x minus 2. Okay, for the solution, first we differentiate the outside function, then we will get 3 times with the inside function which is 5x minus 2 will get the power of 2 and multiply with the derivative of inside function which is 5 and the answer we will get 15 multiply with the 5 times x minus 2 power of 2. So here the answer. That's all for my lesson today. Thank you everyone for watching.